Welcome to Vohra Method College Essay Training and College Strategy Training. This video is for students and parents so you know exactly what to expect from this program. The first thing you need to know about this program is why I started Vohra Method in the first place. My goal is simple: to make people smarter. I don't really care that much about your school grades. I just want to make sure that you're smarter. I want you to be a smart, deep-thinking, free-thinking, independent person, and I want to help you build your intelligence. And that's the only reason that this business exists at all. This business doesn't exist purely to make money. If I just wanted to make money, I would have joined all of my friends on Wall Street, because that's probably the best place to just make money if your only goal is to make money and don't care how you do it. The only reason that we offer the college essay training program is that we believe that we can make you smarter through this process. And it's something that we discuss every year. And every year we've come back to this idea that says, if we can make sure that you're getting smarter through this process, then we're going to keep on offering this. And that means that there are things that we simply don't offer because our goal is only to make you smarter. Our goal is not to get you into college. I don't care about your grades, and I certainly don't care what college you go to. Here's why. I don't even think you should go to college. Peter Thiel, the founder of PayPal, so strongly believes that his success happened despite his Stanford education, not because of it, that he created the Thiel Scholarship. That's $100,000 a year, $50,000 a year for 2 years, $100,000 total, to not go to college, to do something else. He wants you to see what you can do aside from that. Now, I might not be as generous as Mr. Thiel, but I agree with him that college is just not the best way to build your opportunities or to prove yourself. If your goal is to prove your intelligence, consider the actuarial exam step 1, consider the Foreign Service Officers test. These tests you can prove your ability without wasting a bunch of money on college tuition. But if you want to go to college, we're not here to tell you what to do. I'll tell you my opinion, but at the end of this, if you want to go to college, then we're going to try to help you get into the best college you can by building your intelligence and your ability. So in Vohra Method College Essay Training, we're going to help you develop your writing skills, your manipulation skills, your thinking skills, your analogous thinking skills, vivid writing skills, a lot of different psychological techniques. That's what this program is about. So it's there to make you smarter. And that also has a very practical application, by the way, because one thing you probably haven't realized, you're not going to be writing one college essay. You're going to be writing 50 college essays. You'll write one personal statement on the common application. Then every school is going to have a supplemental essay, an activities essay, several short paragraphs. So you're going to have to develop the skill. Learning to write college essays is like learning algebra. You don't just memorize the solution to one problem and say you know algebra. You develop a whole set of techniques that you can apply to different problems. That's what the program is entirely like. So one thing that you should avoid is any kind of brinksmanship. And what by that I mean the common technique that everybody tries, which is you wait. Let's say you need a tutor to help you with an English paper. You wait till the last second, you cry a bunch and say, if I don't do this English paper, I'm going to get an F. And the tutor says, oh, I'll basically write it for you, tell you what to say. That's not going to work with us because we don't want you to go to college at all. I personally don't want you to go to college at all. I'm certainly happy to share my knowledge and experience with you as an educator, but my advice, don't waste your time at college. So if you miss a deadline, then you just miss a deadline. And each year, a few students miss deadlines. I've never cared because, again, I don't want you to go to college at all. So don't try to put this off to the last minute and hope that we're going to save you, because we'll save you our way, which is to specifically not help you make the deadline so that you're saved from college. If we're going to save you, we're not going to save you from missing the deadline. We're going to save you from wasting 4 years in college in the first place. So do your best to do this stuff on time if that's important to you. If it's not important to you, cool. Second thing, there's a few questions that everybody asks every year, and so I'm just going to answer them right now. First question, can you write the essay for me now, and then later on I promise I'll learn how to do it and get smarter? No, absolutely not. We're not going to write a single sentence for you. We're not going to write a single word for you. This will be 100% your own work because you need to develop these skills. At the very least, if you only care about the practical, immediate short-term reasons, for your college interview. Your college interview skills build in your college essay skills. So we're not going to write it for you and then have you fall apart in the interview. And also, since we only want to make you smarter and don't care if you go to college at all, we're definitely not going to do it for that reason as well. Second question, what if I write a rough draft and can I send you a not very good rough draft which you then rewrite and make it good? No, obviously not. Same thing. We're not going to write a single word or sentence for you. We're here to make you smarter, but again, we don't care if you ever actually write a college essay because we don't want you to go to college because it's a stupid waste of money and time. It's basically a place to get indoctrinated into drinking and socialism, neither of which I personally think are such valuable skills. Here's things that you should also know. Our college strategy training, our college essay training is extremely effective. Students of ours have gotten into colleges that were so shocking to their schools that the schools first demanded to see the proof and then decided to have the student just run college essay seminars in that school for the next class of juniors. So our program certainly works. Our program is extremely effective. We'll teach you techniques that no one else can teach you and very few other people know. Former students of ours have, after going through our program, have just started writing college essays professionally. It's an easy way to make money. It's not my way to make money because my goal isn't to get you a college essay, it's to make you smarter. But if somebody else wants to do that, that's their natural right. You can do whatever you want to with these abilities. We're here to build your abilities. It's your choice to do what you want with those abilities. One final note, with college essays, parent consultations are not free. So with SAT training, things like that, if your mom or dad has a question, we're always happy to set up a free Skype interview or phone call or whatever. With college essays, everything, we charge for everything. All parent consultations, student consultations, everything. You pay just the tutoring rate with whoever you're working with. That goes with the person that you're doing college essay training with. If you have any questions, just go ahead and email us at learn@vohramethod.com. Our program is the most ruthless and most effective college essay training program anywhere. But remember this, our goal is only to make you smarter, to make you better at writing and thinking. Questions, learn@vohramethod.com.